Si Ate Blessy, nagpunta siya nag-shower?
Nag-shower.
Oh, sinong kasama ni Ate Blessy? Ate Adi?
Daddy?
You want to shower also?
Shower?
Oh, nagsusumbong yan. Nag-shower daw yung ate niya. It's okay. Hayaan mo nang mag-shower si ate mo. Mag-shower tayo mamaya, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Sige, hayaan mo na siyang mag-shower. Opo. Opo. Marami pa kasing gagawin si mami, okay? Okay? Okay, yes po. Ate Adi with Ate Adi. You are right, okay? Opo. Hayaan mo mag-shower tayo mamaya, okay? Okay. Yes po. Oo, mamaya na nga. Later, okay? Patience, okay? Patience, okay? Bakit? O, sige na. Oo na. Sige na, halika na. Halika na. Anong gusto mo? What do you want? Mamaya na nga, ba't umiirap ka na naman? I told you later, we will do shower, okay? Okay. Love you.
Yay.
Love you.
Yay.